With stickers and parts, you can personalize your printer's appearance as you like. We're going to show you guys how to achieve it. In the Xmaker app, type the slideshow or go to Toys, join DIY directly to access the models. Tap any one of them, it presents us with the detail. Here's the assembly guide. When we print all the parts shown here. If we want different color, simply change the filament. For multiple tasks, go to Unprinted to print after the first task is completed. On tablets and laptops, the access is the same. Click on the slideshow or go to Toys, join DIY directly to access the models. After collecting the parts, we can paint them before assembly if needed. Then assemble the parts. There are two ways to connect the components. One is connecting the components with connectors. The other is connecting with components themselves. Before assembly, we can place the components in order according to the assembly diagram shown in the app. So when we assemble, just follow the diagram. It's okay if assembly sequence is different from ours, as long as you get the same results. As for the connectors that connect models and printer, we have these two types. For this one, we can press it down into the hole along the side. For the other one, like a screw, we need to turn it in. Install the parts and decorate the printer with stickers. Align the connectors with a gap and insert it. Then rotate 90 degrees so that you can hand the parts onto the printer. When we remove, rotate it 90 degrees. Use the same method to insert and hang other parts. Remove the sticker from the sheet and stick onto the printer. Just stick it onto wherever you think is appropriate. That's it. Above, we covered the access to DIY parts on Xmaker app and the method to assemble and install them. Hope you have fun in decorating your printer. See you!